In today's video, we are going to be making a cucumber tomato salad. This is super simple. It's just a nice refreshing salad. When you're tired of having salads with lettuce, then this is an option for you. And this makes a great side salad to any meal. If you've been eating regular salad all week long and you just need something different, this is a salad that you can do. Alright, so we're going to start off by cutting up these cucumbers. It's just a few veggies that you need for this salad. It's really easy. You probably might already have them at home. So we're going to start off with cutting up 2 cucumbers here. If you're just making the salad for 1 or 2 people, then you can just cut the recipe in half if you want. So I'm going to start off by peeling my cucumbers. If you don't peel them, that's fine. I peel them, so we'll peel them and then we will start cutting them up. Alright, so I just like to cut them down the middle and then cut them into smaller pieces. If you want the pieces a little bit bigger, that's fine. I just prefer them in these little quarter-sized pieces. Alright, we got all of our cucumbers cut. We're just gonna basically cut up these veggies that we're using for the salad. Alright, so for the next thing that we're going to add in is we're going to put in some tomatoes. I'm using 3 Roma tomatoes here, and we are just going to start cutting them up. Whatever size pieces you want, that is what size you should cut them. I'm just cutting it into like little quarter-sized pieces. That's just the sizes I like. I cut my tomato in half down the middle and then cut them again the other way. Alright, so next up is our red onion, and you can cut them any way that you want. Sometimes I cut the onion into little pieces, sometimes I like the bigger slices, and for the video I'm going to go with the bigger slices. I'll show you what our salad looks like so far. So see what I mean? The red onion really brings out the color of the salad. So the other ingredient we're adding in is some avocado. This is optional, but I do love the avocado with it. Alright, and then this is the final thing that we're going to have to chop up to add to our salad is some cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can add in like parsley or something if you want. But I think cilantro goes really good with this salad, and I love cilantro with like everything. So definitely don't skip out on the cilantro if you like cilantro, okay? So we're just gonna cut this up and add it to our salad, and then the last thing we have to do is just add in like our seasonings and stuff, and we'll be pretty much done. So we're gonna add in the juice of a half of a lime. Alright, now just get that juice squeezed in there. This is half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil here that I'm adding in. This is 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. And that's it, guys. You've added everything that you need to add to the salad. The only thing left to do now is just to mix it all up and make sure everything in your salad is covered in the oil, the vinegar, and the seasonings, just to make sure everything is seasoned really well. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. We've go ahead and combined everything really well. This salad makes a great side salad, you guys. If you're bored of lettuce salad sometimes, make the salad for a side salad at your dinner. You know, it's a nice summer salad, so it goes really good with pretty much anything. Barbecue in the summertime, barbecue's coming up, barbecue season. This salad goes really well, guys. Alright, so we got a little bit of everything on here. It's nice and crunchy. Who doesn't love a crunchy salad? If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.